Hey there, grade. I wanted to show you how you can insert a video from your camera using the camera feature or your webcam. So I have my space right here in my notebook, actually. Let me go right here. And I'm going to insert a picture right there. I want to go to Insert, Image, Camera. And as you can see, it's going when I'm going. And I have my work here. Oops. Kind of hard to see over my face. I'm going to go ahead and it pops up here in the corner when I get the picture that I want. And then I will insert, and there it is. I will just have to move it, maybe resize it a little bit. If I want to rotate it, I take this, oops, take that little, I can always, there we go. I can rotate it. I can rotate it back. And that is how I insert a picture from my webcam into my document. So when I'm ready to insert my cursive page, I will take a picture and insert it.